Boeing satellite explosion is a looming danger for space and communications. In the vast expanse of space, every malfunction matters, especially when it's a major satellite. Recently, Boeing experienced a devastating satellite explosion that could have serious consequences, not just for space exploration, but for our planet's communication systems. Satellites play a critical role in our modern world, from providing GPS and internet connectivity to powering communications between countries and businesses. But what happens when one of these satellites explodes? On October 2024, a Boeing manufactured satellite unexpectedly exploded, scattering debris into orbit. This isn't just a minor setback, it's a growing problem that could endanger other satellites and the communication networks we rely on daily. The danger from such explosions comes from the resulting debris. Space junk, even the tiniest fragments, can travel at speeds of over 28,000 kilometers per hour or 17,500 miles per hour. At these speeds, a small piece of debris can destroy or seriously damage other satellites, creating a chain reaction of collisions known as the Kessler syndrome. The Kessler syndrome describes a situation where space debris causes further collisions, generating even more debris. If this scenario continues unchecked, it could create a catastrophic situation where space becomes too dangerous for new satellites to operate. The result? Major disruptions to global communications, internet services, and even military operations. The loss of satellite functionality wouldn't just impact your ability to make a phone call or find directions on your GPS, it would hit industries across the globe, banking, aviation, national defense, and even scientific research. Think about the vital role satellites play in disaster management, weather forecasting, and military surveillance. The fallout from a damaged satellite network could paralyze entire economies. Experts have been warning about the growing space debris problem for years. According to the European Space Agency, there are already 36,500 objects larger than 10 centimeters in orbit and over 1 million smaller fragments that pose a serious threat. As the number of launches increases, so too does the risk of further accidents, like Boeing's satellite explosion. There are ongoing efforts to mitigate this risk. Companies and governments are developing debris removal technologies, such as satellite nets and lasers, to reduce junk. But the challenge is enormous. Even with new initiatives, it's incredibly difficult to clean up space, especially when unexpected explosions add more debris to the already cluttered environment. For Boeing, this explosion raises questions about satellite durability and safety measures. As one of the largest aerospace companies in the world, Boeing satellites are essential for many communication and navigation systems. Now, they face the challenge of addressing the immediate risks posed by the debris while ensuring their future satellites are safe from similar incidents. The situation underscores the urgent need for global cooperation on space governance. Currently, space debris regulations are weak and enforcement is minimal. As more countries and companies launch satellites, the threat of collisions and debris grows. The Boeing explosion is a reminder that stricter guidelines, better tracking systems, and innovative debris solutions are essential to protect the future of space exploration and communication. As we move toward a future that relies even more on space-based technology, the dangers posed by satellite explosions like Boeing's are clear. To ensure that our communication systems remain safe and operational, we need action now before it's too late.